So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of photos right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to actually go ahead and then create a web gallery out of it. So to do that, as your collection is actually selected right here, you can go around over here onto the web module right here. Simply click on it, and then the web module will load out, as you can see right here. So it's loading and it's allocating all of the pictures that you have right here in a web layout. And then you can see that you got this particular layout right here. And this is in a grid style by default, as you can see right here. So this is the style that you have. So all of the images are actually listed right here. So you can also go ahead and navigate out to see how this would actually look. So over here on the right hand side, you can see that there's many different sort of gallery styles that you can choose from. So you can go around onto classic gallery or square gallery or track gallery if you wish as well as you want. And over here on the left hand side as well, you can see that there's various templates that you can choose from right over here as well. So you can see that as I choose different gallery, there's the track gallery, as you can see right here. You can go around over here onto classic gallery as well, and the layout will change accordingly. And this here is the classic gallery, as you can see right here. And you can simply go ahead and then, let's say, for example, choose the number of the gallery right here. So over here on the left hand side, there's different sort of galleries as you can choose, as you can see as well. So over here, you can go for dusk to get this view. As you can see right here, you even have the hover effect for this. And you can see that I can go ahead and choose many different galleries as you want. So if I were to go around over here, you can also go ahead and type in, let's say, for example, something like my gallery right here, just like this. And then that is what you have. You can go ahead and change the text as you like as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say something like personal collection right here, just like this. And then if I were to click outside, this is what you have. So you can go ahead and change it out, as you can see right here. Over here on the right hand side, you can see that this is the site title, the site info, and you can change around the info right here. For example, there's my gallery, so I can just go ahead and change it out into TutorTube right here, just like this as well. So you can go ahead and type that in, and it changes out into TutorTube accordingly. The collection title is my photograph, which I actually changed right here, but you can also go ahead and change it out right here. And then you can see the contact name right here. So I'm just going to go around and say TutorTube. And then what happens is that it changes out accordingly right here. So there's web or mail link. So I'm just going to go around and say tutortubechannel@gmail.com right here. And then that particular link will be added in as well. So you can see that this is the main identity plate right here, just like this. And you can change around a lot of things right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and onto solo mode by right clicking, so that as I click on this, it only opens up one menu, decreasing the distraction. And this is what you have, as you can see right here. So now you can go ahead and change the web or mail link right here, just like this as well. And then even go ahead and edit out the style right here, as you can see right here. So this is the style text. You can also go ahead and use graphics identity plate if you want, as well as any pictures and so forth as well. Or go ahead right here and simply go ahead and say TutorTube channel, just like this as well. And then you can go ahead and decrease out the size of this as well. Press OK. And then what happens is that this will be the identity plate now, just like this, as you can see. So you can go ahead and disable it or enable it as you want as well. And that is how you can work around with the layout style and site info inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.